Okay, good afternoon everyone, and welcome to Apex Throttle channel. This afternoon we're just going to go out and enjoy the Warwickshire countryside. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, 22 degrees, 24 degrees maybe. It's pretty warm, yeah, we're going to get kitted up and get on this bike and get going. Come with me.
So we are on a little ride out, so I think there's no plans as to where to go really. I'm just going to head off and see where the road takes me, I think. It's just a lovely, lovely day, so I just want to sit in the house for any longer than I had to. Worked from home today, so it's quite a nice little release to get out and just a bit of the countryside. So that's what we'll do. So on my last video I did, which was about my little incident, which if you haven't seen it already, have a look. If you wouldn't mind, I need to get my views up. I was really chuffed. I mean, you know, I am getting literally like just a few tens, maybe a couple of hundred people viewing my videos at the moment, which is crap, but yeah, it's fair enough. Probably not that interesting to most people. So you know, I'd like to get those views up, and I think one of the best ways to engage with people as well is to I always do it myself, is just like, you know, and comment on the video as well. It doesn't matter if you have anything negative or positive or in between, whatever. Obviously I don't really want negative comments, but you know, that's fine. But what I would like to do is just get more engagement, and I like to hear what people are up to and what they like to ride, what they do as well, you know. So like times like this, we just letting off a bit of steam after work. You know, what do you do? Where do you go? How long do you go out for? Do you meet up with friends? You know, I've done that before. Just go out for a drink, for a coffee or a small beer, whatever. And obviously drink responsibly. But yeah, what do people do? So yeah, please do comment. If you're just watching this, just a sneaky quick comment would be great. If not, just a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're not subscribed already, please do subscribe. That would be fantastic. And I'll keep the videos coming, and I'll make them more interesting as I can. As you know, like I said before, I do want to do some reviews and talk about stuff, cars as well as for the pies. Local at least. We'll keep going, I think. Have a little look around. Quite sweet, this village. Cottages and stuff, but yeah, peaceful. Massive houses around here, that's for sure. Very nice. anyway, thank you for joining me on this little trip out. It was a nice little run, and like I said, like, subscribe, leave a comment, much appreciated. Thanks very much. Cheers for this time, and here's to the next. Cheers, bye bye.